In this video, we will be saving 920 and 5010 lock-in. If you don't know the context, these two were both involved in an accident and they are considered cursed in the community. So yeah, hopefully I don't get cursed tonight. Alright, so what do we have here? So we're spawned here at Tutuban and our goal is to go to Caloocan. So over here we have Taiwan railway coaches. I do not know why that's here. We also have a railway worker over here, Sir Etits. Alright, just pretend like you are in my train right now and we're going to Caloocan as a field trip or something. Please let this be a normal field trip. Without wasting any time, let's go to Caloocan. We have PS1 graphics Inca coaches right here at our sides. And we also have foreign railway stocks over here. Right here at our left are Taiwanese locomotives and also we are blazing fast. God. RIP to the mother of 5 children because I just blew my horn late. So I'ma try to not do that again. What's up y'all subscribers? Are you doing well? Alright, everyone has the same house just like in Augie and the Cockroaches. I'ma skip Solis cause we're going straight to Caloocan, y'all. Ano yun? This is your station? Well, too bad. We're going to Caloocan. Oh, I forgot to blow my horn. RIP to the family of 10 who just came from a family vacation. Also, what happened to the scenery? It's giving Minecraft flat world for real. Watch this, y'all are not ready. Yo, let's go. We have to make X. Let's go. Yo, what does this sign say? Oh, I didn't read it. Oh wow, the train's smoking, y'all. RIP to the 2-year-old who has asthma in that crossing. Yo, finally, we're at Caloocan. Let's go. But we're not stopping at the station though. I forgot the name. We're stopping over here, just north of the workshops. Alright, time to run all the way there. Yo, Debs, can y'all add a shift to run button? Thank you. I really wish the developer added a shift to run button. This is tough. So we have a traverser over here. Very straight to the point with these big buttons. So we have a locomotive over here. I just don't know which one though. GE U6P lock in. Del Uno. Bruh, the downgrade is crazy though. So my plan is, I'm going to use this blue locomotive to push 5010, put Del 920 on the traverser, and then bring it back to the position on where we are right now. And then, we're going to use the blue locomotive to push 5010 and 920 together. Holy crap, this noise. Oh my god. No, man. So now I'm going to send this traverser all the way to 920. This is gonna take long. So I'm now here at 920's bay. Bro, it has a UI, that's a good sign. I like how there's the EMU aircon on top of it. And it runs, let's go! Bro, this thing looks ridiculous. I don't even think it has an engine, bro. This is the first wind power train. Alright, change of plans. We're going to send this traverser back to its original spot. And then we're going to use 920 to maneuver from here to where 5010 is at right now. So basically, we're going to use 920 to pull 5010 instead. And we will no longer need the blue locomotive. W planning, right? W? I'm such a genius. Anyways, I'm coming in hot. Oop, never mind, break. Oop. So we ran into an issue. It seems like we're glued to the tracks or something. Maybe if I press this button, it will all work? I don't know. Will it work? Yes, it did. Let's go! Let's celebrate by spamming the horn. Alright, careful. Alright, that was hard. Oh look, we have bathroom access. Alright, so what's up my subscribers? Are y'all doing good? Alright, oh, I just got locked in. Just imagine this in real life. Like the locomotive of your train has no cab. Yo, let's go. Yo, what? Would you ride this train? Let me know in the comments down below. We have successfully brought Dell 920 and 5010 here with us at Tutuban. Let's go! So anyways, I've parked the coaches on a safe spot and we're going to bring these locomotives to the locomotive shed. Anyways guys, I'm going to host a 2000 Robux giveaway. Oh, what happened? Why did my screen freeze? Hello? Hello?